Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you want to know how I achieved this beautiful protective style, then keep on watching. So here are the hair I will be using. There are 3 parts, and this is my oil I will be using for my cillian. I will leave the link in the description box of how I made this oil. I will also leave it in the card area. So I will be using the Starrest shea butter and the Shea hair butter. We will need some clips, and now let's get started, guys. So first of all, I will go ahead and part my hair with my hand. This is what I normally do when I'm doing my hair, though I struggled with parting the back of my hair because I don't see what I'm doing, but this is how I normally do it. Okay, I will part my hair with my hand first, then I will go ahead to use a comb. As you can see what I'm doing here. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, you are highly welcome, but please go ahead, hit the subscribe button, also turn your notification bell, because that will notify you anytime I upload a new video. For my new and returning subscribers, thank you so much for supporting me in this journey. I do appreciate you guys, and welcome back. So as you can see, I have parted the back of my hair. Yeah, it's not perfect though, it's not perfect, but the place I normally concentrate on is the front of my hair, because people don't really look at the back. At least I tried my best to get it neat, but it's not going to be perfect. Okay, if it's not perfect, don't worry about it. So I part with my hand. I'm just gonna smooth with my oil, or seal with my oil. I will also use the Starrest shea butter by the time I start twisting. So I grab just one strand of my Miley extension. I wasn't going to use 2 strands because it would be too big, okay, and with my hair is enough. So as you can see, I just use one strand, cross it into 2, and start. After I have matted my hair from the roots like boss braid, then I will start twisting both together, as you can see what I'm doing. So my hair is fully washed, deep conditioner and stretch and everything. If you want to know how I stretched my hair, I will leave the link in the description box and the card area so you can check it out. Okay, so this is how far I have gone in this protective style. As you can see, it is so neat, beautiful, and I am loving it. I am loving it, guys. So now I'm gonna part again with my hand. Most of the time I part with my hand without even using a comb at the end. I just part. I'm used to this, maybe something like normal or personal, I don't know, but I just like parting with my hand. Okay, then I will also grab another strand of hair, and I will start repeating the same. So by the time you finished like doing the boss braid from the roots, you're gonna part your hair in the middle. of the extension and start twisting both together. So that is the butter I used. I find out this last time when I did my shocking twist, my shocking losing twist. I will also leave the video in the description box. I used this brand also to like smooth up my twist. It was so nice. I really love how it turns out, and I love this brand. It is so nice by using it to twist your hair, but you don't need to add it to the root of your hair, okay, because it has chebe. I promised I will be doing the review on this product. I haven't done it yet. Why? Because I decided to like use it a bit more to get a full review for you guys. I will be doing that. I promised I would do it, okay. This is must. I would do it, okay. So that is the product I used, and I also use my leave-in conditioner, the Cantu leave-in conditioner. For the past 2 months now, this is the product I've been using, okay, because I want to really know how it works. And when I took down my shocking losing twist, my hair didn't shed at all. It was very little. It didn't shed, and this brand is so good. If you live in the UK or any part of European country, I think you can purchase this product. I live in Spain, for example, and I purchased this product. I get it in just 3 days. 3 days. The post was so quick. So you will get it, I think. I will also leave a link of her Instagram. I will leave the link in my description box if you guys want to check her brand out. Her brand is really good. You're gonna love it, by the way. I love the brand. I got few of them. I got the hair butter cream and the Shebe hair butter, and body cream, black soap, and the lip balm. It is so nice. Okay, guys, this is how far I have gone. We are getting there. And this is how I did my protective hairstyle. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also leave your comment down below. Share with your friends and family that might find this video helpful. And if you want to practice how to do your own protective style and you don't really know how to start or how to do it, you can practice with this video. And I believe you'll find it helpful. So you're gonna cross that little tiny hair the way I just did there, and you will start twisting both together. Yeah, I use the comb like to part the hair very neat, because now that I am in the front, I want to keep it neat as possible that I can't, and I just dust the ends of my hair because I'm still dealing with the 5% knots that is left in my hands. So each time I do my hair, I just dust it, okay? Because I prefer getting rid of the knot gradually instead of leaving them, because I don't want to get rid of them, that I don't want to trim my hair, or I want my hair to be longer, or I want to achieve length. I know length is very good, but I prefer my hair heavier than me having a lot of knots in my hands. Okay, if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe and turn your notification post so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. I'm just grabbing my Shebe hair butter to smooth the twist. And yeah, guys, we are moving on. Did you guys see how smooth it is? If you are not following me on Instagram, please do follow me on my platform, because I normally post almost every day. On my Instagram, share a hair tips and how to care for your hair. So do follow me on my Insta, okay? And if you also want, I also have a group called Rachael Ime Beauty. You can post your videos, you can post hair, natural hair, or ask question or anything. Okay, I will also leave the link in the description box if you want to join my group. If you are a new YouTuber, you can post your videos, you can ask question or anything you want. Okay. Make sure that your hair is fully moisturized before you comb your hair. Please don't comb dry hair, because my hair is fully moisturized, and I also stretched it with the African thread. Okay. So guys, I am getting there. I am almost done with the twist. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like watching this video, if you enjoyed this tutorial. And thank you so much guys for watching, and I will see you very soon in my next vlog. Bye.